Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to upload the slide into the VoiceThread, and you are able to update the slide. For example, now some of you haven't finished the slide yet, but we don't have time to wait. So each of us, for those who have finished his slide already, he can start to record his video and upload to this part. And when those who finish, the rest of you who finish the slide, you can just screenshot by use this program snipping tool to take screenshot of your slide and then save to the folder that you want to save. After that, you just go to the VoiceThread through the link that I will send to you, and then click into the presentation and click here. And then, for example, I want to add the next slide. I just click here and add. But if I want to update this slide, how can I do? I just click here and then right click of your mouse, and then you just click edit this slide. Here you press delete, and then your slide now is deleted. And then if you want to add the updated slide, you just click add a slide and click here upload file. You just go to the place that you save your screenshot. Here I save it here, so I just upload it. Now my slide is updated. My slide is updated now, and the next, I want to upload my video that I have just recorded by my phone, my smartphone. I just click into the slide that I want to, the slide that I'm in charge. Here as teacher taught, you can click here if you want to record your video. But now I have already recorded my video by my smartphone, so I just click here and then I just upload my video here. Just click here and then your video will be uploaded to this slide. And for some reason, if your video is too big, is too large, you can go to this website and then you can compress your video and make it smaller size. Choose file and then you can click to the video that too big. Here 26 megabyte. It is not allowed to upload into this slide, the VoiceThread, because it is too big. It is bigger than 25 megabyte. So I just need to compress it and make it smaller. So press compress and it will be smaller here. And now it's become 16.18 megabyte. So it is available to upload to this part. Yeah, and that is all that I want to share. If you want to do ahead of time, just follow me. But if you want to wait, that's okay. Just wait. We still have time to wait. Thank you so much. Bye bye.